Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I am here. As you can see by the title, I'm going to prepare vegetable stew. So before the video begins, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so anytime I post a video, you'll be alerted. My social media handles are on the screen, so do all to follow me on all social platforms. And don't forget to stalk me. Yeah, stalk me. Let's get cooking. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So hop into the kitchen and let's begin. Well, there you have it guys. This is how I prepared my recipe. I hope you like it and I hope you try it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below the next recipe you want me to try. Until then, see you later. Bye.